Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Macquarie Bank online banking account. Watch the tutorial till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Macquarie online banking account, right from your computer or mobile devices, open up a web browser. Into the URL box, type in www.macquarie.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Macquarie, which looks like this. Macquarie Bank is an Australian bank that provides services such as asset management, financing, banking, advisory and risk, capital solutions across debt, equity and commodities. To log in and access to your online banking account, click on the login button appearing at the top right hand corner. Now select your banking type from the options and click on the Macquarie online link. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and fill in your Macquarie ID followed by the password. If you don't have an internet banking yet, you can simply click on this new to internet banking register now link and follow the instructions to sign up or register for an internet banking account first. Once you have your account, you can enter your Macquarie ID in the first text box that is associated with your account and type in your correct password on the next field. If you don't remember your login details, you can get help by clicking Forgot Login Details link right beneath the login button. Follow through the on-screen prompts to find your credentials. After filling in your credentials correct, click the login button and in a few simple steps, you'll be able to access your Macquarie online banking account right from your computer or mobile devices. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.